Start again. Say we're Danni and Joe. Do that bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're Danni and Joe, and welcome to a short but sweet van tour of our 1982 Volkswagen T25 T3 Vanagon Transporter, named Vincent. It's quite a compact van, so this probably won't take very long. I'm just trying to think of a logical way of talking you through, because this is all in one room, isn't it?
This is our table.
I was going to start with slightly more, although that is important. That is, I'll give you that. Should we start on the outside?
Okay.
Up top, we've got two 100-watt EcoFlow solar panels. We've upgraded the wheels and tyres. We've gone from Mercedes Vito 16-inch steel wheels with 215 65 16 Toyo open country or county tyres. They're all terrains. I think that's it for outside. It really needs a paint job, but we're going to leave that up to the new buyer. So this van is actually going to be up for sale. We'll put a link in the description. We're just going to leave. Originally it was all this lovely light blue, as you can see from the sills. Sills? Like what are they called? Door sills, are they?
Door bits.
Sills. Not sills, sills.
Someone decided to paint it lots of different colours of blue. We did plan to get around to painting it, but yeah, we're going to leave that up to the new owner now. I think that's the main thing really for the owner, isn't it?
Just
the
really
new
needs
owner
a
is
paint job.
Yeah, it just really needs a bit of a tidy up outside.
On the bodywork, yeah.
Bodywork. So this is actually a 4-berth. So this is the first bed. Both of these seats have seat belts, which is really handy. We got these reupholstered because when we bought the van, it was needed
rough.
Some TLC. It's very comfy, all brand new. It's got new cover at the back here. So obviously you could have that as storage as well, but then this sits up. This also goes into a bed as well. We've also got the 4-berth bit is up here. So this bit folds down and then you can fit up there. We've fitted up there, haven't we? But personally, I would probably use it for storage or for children.
Yeah.
It's a bit tight.
Can I whip it down?
Yeah.
Just those two.
I'm not going to get up there. But it's got cushion covers and yeah, it's pretty cosy to be fair, but yeah, probably more for children, I would say. The table can go like this or like this, which is really handy. The seats out the front pivot, so like captain seats, so which really opens the space up. When we built our other van, I was quite certain that I wanted it blocked off because I wanted a bigger kitchen. So we did that, but yeah, I've really enjoyed actually having the seats pivot. It just makes the space feel a lot bigger than it is, I guess, because it is quite a small van. This is our lovely kitchen area. So you've got a lovely hob. Joe can talk you through all these important bits. Hob, little sink. We've got a fridge. We've got lots of different bits of storage. That's got tools and stuff in at the moment. And then yeah, there's quite a lot of room considering how small a van it is. Or I say small, it's not that small, is it? But I'm comparing it to our Sprinter. What's in here? More storage. I feel like I would use this for dirty laundry. Don't know, up to you guys. Another lot of storage.
It's like a clothes cupboard, isn't it?
Yeah, it's actually got a little. Yeah, it's got a rail so you can actually put your clothes on hangers, which is very bougie. I'm just loving all of the browns. The seats at the front I absolutely love. Like for how old they are, there's one little burn mark. Little fan because it probably gets hot in here. I think in here has the covers for the window, am I right?
It does, indeed.
I'm not going to get them all out, but that covers all the windows up, so not such a fishbowl. More storage. I think that's me done. I don't really know too much about this van, other than I chose all the patterns.
Oh yeah, just get a clip of me spinning the seat. Yeah? Right? Yeah?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No, to put in his B-roll, you bugger.
Oh.
No sound effects.
Huh?
You sit like that staring at me.
What, legally?
I don't know. Enough messing about.
Beautiful.
Do
you want to redo my bit that I didn't really know any of the bits?
What, redo it just in case?
Well, no, not all of it. I just mean my.
Let me talk about the van itself. car coming. Time to get camera shy. As if this isn't my full-time job. Right, ready? As we said before, the van itself is
so
serious.
What are you doing?
I don't know. As we said before, the van's a 1982, so it's just become tax and MOT exempt. I actually sent the logbook off and it's come back as historic. So if you live anywhere near Bristol, Bath, Manchester, I think, Birmingham, all the low emission zones, this can actually go in for free. Possibly even the London one. I need to check the London one. London's like a different country altogether, isn't it?
Different country.
Anything else on?
You need to talk about the fridge. I probably didn't cover that very well, and the hob.
Yeah. This is the new Dometic two-way burner hob and the tap for the sink. We've actually installed a pressurised water pump like you'd get on a bigger van build rather than the micro switch. It's just we had it and it gives you a bit better pressure really.
Love it.
The roof vent we've also upgraded. We had exactly the same one in the Sprinter, wouldn't be without one. Originally this just had an opening window, but this is a Fiamma turbo vent, electric, turns on. It's got like climate control and stuff. It'll go in or out, so you could either use it as an extractor fan or as an actual fan blowing in.
It's very comfy in there.
Sorry. This is the storage Danny was on about, but we're just hiding our bags in it at the minute so it doesn't get too cramped.
It's very big storage though.
So we haven't actually used this van since it's been converted, so everything here is brand new. This is a fridge from the sister company of Planar Heaters. We've actually might have a discount code and a link for you if you were interested in one. They're just that much cheaper than the Dometic Wacos and just as efficient, I think. Ice box, all the rest of it. That's fallen off from my driving. Starter batteries under here. Not much to say about that.
Our safe.
Oh, yeah,
That isn't there
hang on.
for anyone.
We've also got a floor safe, but promise not to tell anyone that you've seen this, alright? Hidden floor safe.
The reason we put that in is because it had a really dodgy heater. Was it a heater?
It had a really old heater in the floor, so if you get out of bed at night, you stand on
Burn it.
Yeah,
Burn
it's
your
like
foot.
a barbecue.
And I just think I feel a lot better being in a van, having a safe, knowing that your belongings are safe.
Ta-da!
Woo! Keep all your goodies in there.
This table also.
Ooh.
There's a little leg system up there which you can use this outside as well. Lovely. I'll just move it out of the way. So under here is the electrical compartment. We've got a 100 amp hour Life PO4 battery, a Victron DC to DC charger which comes from the starter battery. The solar charge controller, also Victron MPPT, 15 amps. That's in there. Kill switch.
And some more storage.
And some more storage under here, yeah. I'll show you the bed briefly.
I'll test it.
Like that. That cushion needs pulling back, but it goes there.
Where's the legs?
I haven't put them on yet. I just need another day and it'll be finished. They will come with legs. It will come with the legs. I've got one I've misplaced.
You've misplaced one. How are you going to get that back then?
I can make another one. They're really quite simple.
Right.
Yeah, happy with that?
Lovely little
Everyone's
bed.
seen the bed.
And
Yeah.
I love these bits. I think this looks very simple yet effective.
That is quality hardboard. Like that. Done the storage. We've got a fan. It oscillates as well, which I think is the bee's knees.
It does what? Oh,
Oscillates.
wow. Rotates.
No, oscillates. It's an oscillating fan. Because it doesn't rotate the whole way. It's like an owl's head, I guess.
It's not very warm this summer, so I don't really know how often you'll need that, but...
Original cup holder.
OG.
2 lots of USB. Or is it, I think I've done 2... Oh, it's 4 USBs total.
Nice little worktop space. Do your cooking.
We've got a reading light. We ain't even got one of these on our boat.
I really want to read a night.
So we've got a reading light. There's a kitchen light. And there's one at the back as well. Literally van tour complete, innit? But yeah, I think if anyone's after a T25 and you want one that's sort of ready to go pretty much off-grid, the only thing you need to think about would be a little portable toilet of some sort. I've seen some little fold-in numbers and stuff.
It comes with my favourite Hawaiian dancer that we got, and it's stuck in here now, so he's going to be coming with you guys. Look at him. Look how happy he is.
Engine and boring bits wise, it's done just over 100,000 miles, 100,700. 100,700, does that make sense?
Yeah.
But the engine was actually rebuilt. There's stacks and stacks of paperwork. Honestly, the most paperwork I've ever had with a vehicle, tons of it. I think there's 40,000 miles on the engine when they had a new engine put in. You will be sad.
I am sad. I think you're sadder because you've obviously been doing it whilst I've been at work.
Yeah, I just wish we did have time, and the indoor, this summer's been crap. I just wish we had an indoor space that I could give it a good paint job. It really deserves it. I'd love to take it, but look at that blue. Honestly, my favourite colour that they made these in. Look at, well, you see the blue, it's everywhere. It deserves it. It really does.
Come on, Vincent.
Come on, Vincent. Ooh. We'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out. It'll probably be on eBay, maybe on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, check it out. Give us an email if you want to know any more.
Yeah. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away named Somerset, there was a little blue van named Vincent that needed some new owners to give him some love and attention and new adventures.